this package is one piece cassette in one box. We also can put 2 or 3 or as your requirement in one box.
We have two kinds of design. This is purple color and this is blue color. Let me show you how to use it. It is simple, and this kind of pregnancy test is very cheap. This is the cheap one. You can see this is only one strip in the bag. We use this strip into the urine, and in the strip there is a max length. You can see there is a max length. So when you dip it in the urine, do not let the max length in the urine. This max length need after urine. You can see there is one purple line. We need to wait about 5 minutes to read the result.